Lynette from Worcester, Massachusetts, has a question about a bathroom shuffle.
You're so not from Massachusetts.
No, I am not.
Because if you're from Massachusetts,
you like that. You have to like the Patriots.
You pronounce that Worcester. Anyway,
no.
Lynette writes to us because it's wicked good. Lynette writes, I'm moving to the third floor of my boyfriend's dad's apartment building. You follow that? And I want to move this toilet and sink from one wall to the other. Okay. Lynette wants to know, is this possible for her to do it herself?
Well, I can't answer that question. People ask me, can I do this myself? I don't know if you're a total...
Yeah, it could be.
I mean, Lynette, I just don't know.
If you happen to be a master plumber, yes, you can do that.
Or even a journeyman or apprentice.
Right.
But I probably would hire someone to do it. I wouldn't try doing that myself. I know I wouldn't do it myself because it's too much work. Yeah. But I think it's a plumber's job. You can set the toilet and you can put in the new sink and you can do some of that, but let them do the drain lines and the venting. You have some venting issues that you might not even understand that, for the stuff to go down, the air's got to go out.
And paychecks on Friday.
And paychecks on Friday. That's right.
Okay. Now, the thing that's in her favor is it is a third floor apartment, so it's basically just going through the floor and.
Although you'll have to cut up the floor.
Yeah.
You'll have to run your lines, but you got to be careful what you cut because it is the floor, and you might end up on the other floor. So there's some tricks to it, and I really think that's something a plumber should do. The drain and the venting. You can go ahead and set your fixtures and stuff as you're remodeling the bathroom.
There you go. You got questions? We can help you anytime you please. Send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. And while you're at it, look at our videos over here and subscribe to our channel, please.